We just touched down in Havana. We are leaving the airport, packing everything up, and heading to the hotel.
Day one, so excited. Yay, Operation Walk.
This is day one, first time here, excited.
We are getting into a rhythm, getting patients through and screening them.
Look how he's sitting in his wheelchair right now. If we get this guy up and walking, he can barely sit up straight in that wheelchair.
This gentleman appears to have ankylosing spondylitis. It's not fully diagnosed. He has a very stiff neck and spine. He has 2 severely arthritic hips that need to be replaced. We're not sure if we're going to be able to do a surgery. We may not have the equipment we need to take care of him at this time. It requires a special fiber optic intubation.
By watching him, that he has fusion of the hip, that the joint doesn't move. The ball and the socket have become one, so he can't move the hip and he can't walk. He's 21.
We had to tell about 16 patients why they couldn't have surgery, and it was very upsetting because obviously we come here and we want to help everybody, but sometimes we just can't do the surgeries. We don't have the right equipment, the patient's not medically well enough, lots of different reasons, but of course we're their last chance, so it's very hard to tell them. We got to tell 44 patients that they're having surgery, so we'll be doing a total of 54 joints within the next 3 days.
Siento bien, muchas gracias a ustedes. No puedo explicar lo que siento.
We've gotten to everybody and we're starting to get people home, so I think pretty successful morning so far.
We're having a great day and just happy to change some lives. I think our lives are changed more than the patients, but this is fantastic.
Well, this is the first time I've seen him on his feet since I met him 2 days ago. It's not even what we see today. It's that one day he's going to walk just like all of us. And he was 21 and he hadn't walked in 9 months and it was looking bad for him. It's not just the physical. Imagine if every day of your life you're getting worse and now every day he's getting better. That's what this is all about.
Suena mi tambor como va, ay suena mi tambor como va, mamá, tu pra, 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 tu pra, pra, suena mi tambor como va, ay mi tambor te llama con sentimiento y mañana.
That's his grandma. We didn't know.
A couple quick dressing changes and then getting them up, getting them ready. Hopefully they're able to go back to their family and start a new life for them.
I'm gonna try to get this gentleman up to stand for the first time.
Todo el mundo ahí nada más. Sabroso Tony de nuevo. Ay qué rico. Bueno mira. Toca, toca Tony. Habla.
Going home. You going home? ¿A la casa?
Sí, a mi casa.
Cómo va, anda, y repítelo, repítelo, papá.
Saludos, Jennifer. Te quiero. Chao.
She said she is super happy. She never thought anything like this would be possible for him.
Suena mi tambor como va, ay suena mi tambor como va, mamá, tu pra, suena mi tambor como va, ay mi tambor te llama con sentimiento y mañana.
placer verlo.
Gracias por siempre.
Por siempre.
Agradecida.
Bye.
Todos Los Ángeles.
Ay, nada más,